eye to make a bracelet. Let's use it to make a bracelet by the wire here. Dear Chishik, your total is 74. 74. Yeah. 74 for Chishik. Okay, got it. 74. Yes. So then here we're going to use this to make a bracelet. I'm here to use the wire 0.5. I'm going to use the wire 0.5 here to wrap the necklace, bracelet here. Tiger eye match with which color is perfect? Which color to match with tiger eye is good? Black? Is black good to match with tiger eye? Smoke or black, so here I use the black. Okay, I use black. Okay. Wire wrapper. Make a very small loop at the beginning here. Black, brown, yellow. Okay, we do by this. So string with this. Okay, wrapper. Wrapper. So here we use the copper wire 0.5 to wrapper here. Later, I'm going to try another bracelet. Test the time. Here, this one. Gold wrapper. Cut. Black beads 2 mm. Tiger eye is 3 mm. Okay, here, then, because if I wrap all to a necklace, then to a bracelet, it is not with too much special design. So I'm going to add with this chain. This is a new chain, new design here. This is a chain, not a lip chain. It's not a lip chain, it's the chain, this similar like the nose pig. Let me check if it's a little bit bigger. Okay, it's a little bit bigger. I'm going to use this chain developer for the other. So here I choose a thinner lip chain. I was thinking it's similar as this lip chain. Lip chain this size is better match with here. Tight. Okay. Then we are making a bracelet design. Hello, friends. Happy to see you. My baby is good. He is a boy, and his name is Dale. D-E-L-L. Dale is his English name, and his Chinese name is Yihang. Yihang. Yeah. So we call him Hang Hang. It's a very Chinese name. And his English name is given by Southern Crab. She reminded me the name from my name Della is D-E-L-L. So my son is D-E-L-L Dale. My daughter is E-L-L-A Ella. So it's a good meaning. Both the name from my name. Thank you. What does his Chinese name mean? Chinese name it means Hang. Hang is moving, the boat moving, the way the how to explain. It's a little bit harder to explain. Anyways, just his name is like keep up, how to say, keep moving and positive like that. Anyway, just a good meaning. Yeah. What does he? Yes. Hang. Yeah. And another meaning is yeah, is this. Hang. Yeah, it's like saying this or this. Yeah. Is this word space flight or the boat moving like that? Yeah. Not a very special meaning, just a very easy to call. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love her. So here put the chain again. Ella is she loved Della, so she loved her brother so much. I show you the video. The video here. She loved her brother. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss every day. Thank you. It's 50 days. 50 days until yesterday. Yeah, yesterday the boy is 50 days. Yeah, 50 days, and he can do title. How to say? Let me see if any more picture. Yeah. Upper his head is strong, and is almost 6 kilo. When give birth is 4 kilo, now it's 6 kilo. Yes, I understand. Pulling the hair. Pulling the hair, then the sister will be crying. Yeah. This morning, my daughter said, brother is her how to say 打他 fighting her. Yeah. Hit, fighting her, and I said, okay, you can fighting back. Then she do it back, just very, very soft and very lightweight to fighting back. Sister always will be thinking if the mom is fair to the 2 children or not. So she will be always see if you love me more than brother or love brother more than me. She will ask the question like this. So I always try to keep fair. Yes. The sister sometimes she will be compare. If I talk with the brother is with very soft and warm voice, and she said I'm sometimes talk with her like a tiger. She said, you sometimes fighting me like a tiger, and you are so soft to the brother. Why? Yeah. Okay, so actually, I think I keep her very fair already. Try to talk with more and pay more attention on the girl, because the girl now is 77 years old. She is more understand, and she need more care. and the little brother is just not hungry. It's okay. Just give milk and nothing else. Not too much else. But the girl, she need a lot of care. She need me. I see love to her every day. Yeah. But the little boy just give milk is okay. Yeah. So at this moment, I pay more attention on the girl. When I have two baby, is always needed to thinking more about this. Yeah, all day. The girl wants. So now on the day, the girl is at school. And when she come back to home, I always together with her to help her with her homework, help her bath, help her have lunch, have dinner. And the boy asked my mom to take care, and I take care the sister. Yeah, play with me. Yes, all day. So when on weekend at home, the little brother always cannot sleep well because sister with a lot of noisy all day. Yeah. She always want me to play, and she play by herself with a lot of noisy, or she talk with everyone. Yeah, with a lot of things to do. So I pay more attention and take more time with the girl at this moment. She need me more than the brother. Brother just need me to give milk, and the sister need me to give a lot of talk, give a lot of everything. Thank you. Okay, so this one. So make a simple bracelet. Here. New friends here. When your order meets $50 is free shipping to all over the world. Free shipping. So this one, the bracelet, we finish, make it easy design, fast making. Here. Okay, it's a bracelet way done. And if you want, you can put more the other chains or more beads. Here I just put two. Okay.